Now discuss about the insertion. Let's, for example, like run this code. We get the 1, 2, and the 3. Now we want to insert in the beginning, like we want to insert the 5 here. Then write the code for it. Like let's go through for the previous code. That was the code for the creating a list node and inserting a value. We will create one, and then we make it head. Then head.next 2, 3, and this was the printing code. The current.next, we also face an error, like those things. You can watch the previous video. Let's add insertion. We want to return list node. Why we want to return that head that was we new create? We want to first insertion at the beginning. First step, create a new node. First create. Make it value 5. Okay, we make anything. Now create a node. Combine it with new node dot next equal head. Okay, we join the link and return new head. Okay. Let's run it. See, 5 was joined in the beginning. Okay, next add into the end. Okay, for ending at the end, first we need to go to the end of this. So we need our current. Okay, let's make our first current. Now current was created and standing on the head. Then he was going while current dot next not equal to null. He asked one by one every member will not equal to the null. Okay, then he standing on the 1, he will standing on the 5, ask him, is your next not equal to the null? 1, 2, 3, this next to your not equal to the null. If it was next not equal to the null, he will skip. Okay, let's start it. First create a node that we want to add. And make it 6. If we can make anything. He asked just, is your next not equal to null? If we say, and then he was standing on the current. Okay, that's the problem. Let's see what was the problem here. Let's wait a second. Where is the code? First we stand on there and the list node was the 6 current dot next node equal to the current dot next equal the new head. Okay, sorry, what was the problem? We return the end. We have to return the head. Okay, see here we will return only 6 only, because from where we return, it will print starting from there. If we return this 2, it will start printing from the next element, because our printing method was starting from the next element, current dot val and current equal current dot next. So that was the problem that we facing. Now add into the middle. Okay, and for that we also take an argument also that we want to paste, like where we want to add, like according to the count, according to the key. Here we will try with key. Okay, we also write for the count also, where using the key was the easy, and then for the medium then was the hard. Okay, first make our current. Create a new node that we want to enter. Make it 7. Okay, and key at the last we take, let's take the key to 2. Okay, 2 don't make the 2 dot next equal to the, no, after the 2 we add that. Okay, while current not equal key and or. Current not current, current dot 1, current was the node and its value. Okay, next, if current dot val equal key, then current dot next equal current dot next equal new mid. Okay, when we found our key like 2, when we found our 2, the next was the 3, next was the 7, and that current dot next equal